Community and partnerships play an important role in the life of a school. When schools effectively engage with the local community and the parent community, they forge a partnership which benefits all the stakeholders. We asked Adhyayan lead assessor Neha Chheda what she looks for in a school to know that they have a robust sense of community.
So the schools that we have been there as an assessor, for community and partnerships, we look at how schools connect with local people in the vicinity. We look at how schools connect with the parents itself, because parents as a community, are a community in itself and are very resourceful. The idea is to link the external world with the school, and to make sure that whatever learning that is happening in the classroom has an application. So it's basically making sure that theory and application are connected. So the way to do it is to link up with local people or with your parents, where you see that are they being tapped? Are we reaching out to them? That is, are we connecting with the tailors in the area, or people with different occupations? So you have a cobbler, you have a tailor, and I'm giving you examples of pre-primary and primary, where you look at the neighborhood and you look at occupations. So you can actually connect with them, get them to school, use them as your resource people to actually lecture, and have a demo of their work with the students. You could also look at what are the occupations, professions, as well as areas of interest in the vicinity, and if the school is being able to access those, is to actually take your kids there. It could also mean that we take charge of some garden and actually maintain the garden, or maintain an area, do a cleanup drive, or work with the community, if there's an NGO or anybody working with, say, the kids. If there's a construction site close by and the kids of the construction workers, we could also be working with them, or adopt a municipal school. So it could be anything which is closer to the school. You don't have to travel like miles away to connect with the community. And I think, in short, that's what community and partnerships are all about. I think I have seen some schools where they have taken parents they've linked up with parents very closely. They look first inside for parents as being a resource person. So they're looking at calling a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer to school. They'll probably send out a note to the parents saying, and in fact they gather the information right at the start of the year, and then they're able to access that information. And I know of a school which also seeks out for vacancies. They go and ask their parents whether anybody would be interested in occupying any of the office roles or jobs. And I think it's a great way, because how many thousands of children you have into two the number of parents you have, and that's a rich And as far as other community practices, we have, I know of schools who have adopted the municipal schools in the area, and they're doing fantastic work with that.